Purple? Winnie? Okay, let me see here. Kulang ata siya ng pink. We have to find another pink, anak. Yan.
If you step on my finger, tas kasalanan ko pa?
Say grabe.
Tayo, mother.
Kaya na maglakad-lakad na kayo ah.
You want something from Walmart?
Yeah, I want a toy.
Siyempre.
Ano na magkakaroon mo?
Full name.
La la la.
Maiba naman.
La la la.
Pagkain.
Ay, oo nga pala, chicken.
Come on, I'm ready. Chicken.
Oh, she's ready now. Ready.
Okay, push your dice. You first.
Pink.
Don't touch it.
Okay.
Kasi
Yan.
lang nang mag-ano.
Red. Slow.
Yeah.
Purple.
Okay, ready. Oh. Yay. Yay.
Lagay mo sa tuktok yan, purple. Yan.
Okay, today.
Sa gitna, sa gilid ah. No, you have to put in the middle.
Middle na lang.
Ganyan, okay.
Ay.
No,
Yeah. No! Okay. Dice, your dice. Yeah.
Blue.
no, you have
I didn't touch it.
No, that's it.
It's okay.
Blue.
Kala mo
No, just one.
You cheating.
Put it on top. Me.
You cheating.
Ganyan siya, ganyan. Pwede yan.
I never roll the dice. We just
Purple.
We just kind of pull them out.
Well, no, let her roll the dice.
There you go.
Next.
It's okay, don't move it.
Don't move it. Yellow. Oh, yeah, there you go. Fix the purple one. It's gonna fall. Yeah, there you go.
Green. Hala.
I do that.
Not yet. Okay, put your dice. Red.
I do that.
No, it's a red, Jelana. No blue, no cheating.
Bakit yellow naman? Ito yung sabi ng dice niya.
Green.
Gumagalaw lahat, Dilana. Ay,
Oh.
galing na. Okay, your turn. Purple. The middle one. No. Hirap naman eh. May sariling mundo naman yung kalaro mo.
Hey. No. Be nice.
No, we're going. Me and Grandma gonna go bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
And then I'm gonna get the girls. We got.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, Daddy will play with you.
Bye, baby.
Saan tayo, Mother?
Yeah.
Alas dos man.
Bukas pa naman yan. Okay lang. So, wasila lang naman
Diyan
kayo.
naman sa museum. Ano ba ang bibilhin natin?
Conforme na.
Bigas. Kung meron.
Brown rice, ang dami kong binili ah.
Oo nga.
Ang dami.